Praisers and Savers. I'm at CVS doing this week's deals. Let's get started.
So I love to get cereal at any of the drugstores, and the General Mills cereal is $1.99. And so what we're going to do is we're going to pick up, when you buy 2 of these boxes, you're going to use this $1 off coupon. There's also a $1 off coupon on the app when you buy 2 boxes. So I'm going to actually show you how I'm going to do that. So I'm actually going to pick up 6 boxes of the General Mills cereals. I have a combination between Cheerios and just the other cereals my daughter likes at $1.99. Now there's a $2 off $8 worth of breakfast foods on the app CRT. So what we're going to do is we're going to do $1.99. Now if we were to just buy 4 boxes of cereal instead of just 2, instead of just 6, it'd be $7.98. So what happens is the coupon for the $2 off 8 does not come off. So that's why I'm going to buy 6 boxes of cereal instead of 4. So we're going to buy 6 boxes of the cereal. All right, we're going to take off that $2 CRT on the app. And then we also have 3 of these coupons that we're going to use. Now there's one on the app that you can use, or you can just use some paper ones as well. So you can use one on the app and then 2 paper coupons, or 3 paper coupons, whatever works. So taking off the $1 one, so it's essentially $3 because we're using 3 coupons. So we're going to get all 6 boxes of cereal for $6.94, or $1.16 each. The next deal I'm going to do is the Hallmark items, the tissue paper and the bow. Now my store, I was going to get more tissue paper because I use the tissue paper a lot whenever I make little baskets for people with all the toiletries in it, but they didn't have any more. This is the only pack they had left, so I went ahead and grabbed a bow to match. So the tissue paper is $1.99. Be careful because some of the other tissue papers can be over $2. Just watch the back of it and see. And the bow is $1.29. And so what I'm going to do is when I buy these 2 together, I will get $3 off CRT when buying 2 items. What I did on the spreadsheet was I made it color-coded in purple, showing you to buy them together. You'll buy 1 tissue paper at $1.99 and 1 bow at $1.29. And then you'll get your $3 CRT will come off. And so after everything with the totals, it will only cost you 8 cents for both items. 28 cents. Make sure the CRTs come off. Alright guys, I have been in this store so many times, and I've heard about this monofoil D that's giving $9 extra care bucks. They're $11.49. This would be great to use to clean my classroom, but I'm hoping it works with the extra care bucks. If it doesn't, I will be returning it, so we will see if I'll get back the $9 extra care bucks. No coupons needed for this correction. I actually found these on the end cap now. These are $9.99, not $11.49, and you'll get back $9 extra care bucks, making these just 99 cents. Alright guys, this is a freebie for us, the Poise pads. Now these are not with the regular feminine hygiene products. These are more with the bladder control incontinence products. So they were $5.99. There's a $3 coupon on the app that you can clip. Also, there's a $3 coupon on coupons.com. And then some of us still have $3 newspaper coupons. So that brings our total down to $3 after that coupon. Then you're going to get back $2 in extra care bucks, bringing it down to $1. And then there's a $1 rebate on IBOTTA. So that's going to make it totally free for these Poise pads. Now on Ibotta you can do the deal I think up to 3 times, but here at the store you can only do this limit 1 per household. So we're going to be picking up a pack of these pads absolutely for free today using that coupon for $3, a $2 back in extra care bucks, and a $1 back from Ibotta. All right, shout out to Bree the coupon queen. She's talked about this in one of her little Instagram reels today. These hand sanitizers are only 29 cents, and there is a CRT on the app for BOGO hand sanitizer. So if you use that, you'll just pay 14 cents for each of these hand sanitizers. Now these are the ones with the snap top, not the ones that have the pump top. The pump top are more, but the ones with the snap top, these would be perfect for my blessing bag. So 14 cents each, or 29 cents each if I don't have that CRT, is a great deal for hand sanitizer. All right, I turned around and there was also a great deal on this optimized thick hand sanitizer, only 29 cents. Now it is the same deal with that top like that. These are thicker, bigger bottles, are huge actually. So I'm gonna pick up about 5 of these to put in blessing bags, and I'll probably come back later in the week and get some more if there's any left. Guys, I'm sure you all have heard about the Colgate deals this week. Some people are getting back $11, $12 in a Moneymaker for this. I think ours is gonna be around $8 or $9. But let's check this out. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pick up 3 of these Colgate mouthwashes. When I do that, I'm gonna get back $6 in extra care bucks. Now on the app, there's a $2 off manufacturer coupon. So I'm going to use that manufacturer coupon to pay for one of those. So $2 is going to come off for one of those. And then I'm going to use 2 of these $1 coupons. So a $2 coupon on the app, a $1 coupon, and another $1 coupon for 3 items. That's going to total $4 so far. I also have a $5 off when I buy 4 of the select Colgate products. Another $5 off when I spend $25, which I will be doing in just a moment when I get over to the toothpaste. And then a $2 off on mouthwash. So that's $12 in just CRTs, not considering that I will also be getting this $6 back in extra care bucks. So I will show you the math in just a moment. All right, so in addition to the 3 Colgate mouthwashes, I'm going to buy the Colgate Total. So what you guys are going to do is pick up 4 of these Colgate Totals. They are the 3.3 ounces. Now my store is totally out of them. These were the last 2 that I could find. And so I'm going to substitute and put in some of these Colgate Max Fresh. But if you guys did have the Colgate Total, what you would do is, here's my math, and I made them blues there together. You're going to get 4 of the Colgate Total at $3.99. That's $15.96. There's a $4 off coupon when you buy 2. So then that $4 will come off on that. And then there's a $2 coupon when you buy 1. So let's just pretend like it's the Colgate Total. So $2 will come off when you buy that on the app. It's a manufacturer coupon. And then you're going to use one of these coupons here, $1 off on that. So that's $4, $2, $6, the $7 in coupons that you'll use between the app and also between yourself. You'll get back $12 in extra care bucks because you can do this deal twice. That's going to make that a $3 moneymaker. But remember, we're going to combine that with our Colgate mouthwash. And when we do that, we're going to be able to use those store coupons that are $12 coming off. So it's going to be a $10.70 moneymaker if we do this deal right. I'll be getting these Beauty 360 regular cotton balls. They are $2.79. My store is wiped out of everything else, so this is what I'm getting. But my kids will love this because they like to do a lot of crafts. So these will be totally free at $2.79. Make sure it comes off on the app when you go to the register, because a lot of people are saying it's not coming off. So it's very frustrating. If it doesn't come off, they'll have to input it. So just let me know if it works for you. All right, always pick up this deal. This is great to put in my stockpile for when I make little baskets for teenagers or whatever that may be. So buy 2 paparazzi nail polishes. They are 2 for $5, so $5. You'll get back $4 extra care bucks, making that $1 or 50 cents each. All right, praisers and savers, just got back from CVS, and everything you see here was a money maker. So I spent didn't spend $1.21. I got back $1.21. And that's because of my IBOTTA rebate there. So $1.21 moneymaker on this deal. Now, I used some of that overage to buy some of the hand sanitizers that you see there. But in the printable breakdown, I just have 1 of the hand sanitizers listed for you. But I bought those for my blessing bags to put in there. The monofoil spray is still working. It is $9.99, getting back $9 in extra care bucks. Now, they did not have the Beauty 360 cotton rounds. The lady at the register said there was a recall on those, so check that out. Find out what the recall is if you can, and let me know, because I have no idea what it was. And so I had to get the cotton balls instead, and she overread that for me. So let's look at our printable breakdown just really quick. So remember, everything on our printable breakdown, the 2 blue things kind of go together, and then the purple things go together, so you have to buy those together there. And then if I go to the bottom there, everything was $69.58. With our coupons, extra care bucks, IBOTTA rebates, and whatnot. It was a $1.21 moneymaker. So really, really great deal at CVS this week. I haven't done my Tide spend $30, get $10 back, but I will be doing that as soon as my coupons come in the mail.